Kump test. First we understand autoantibodies. This one is the RBC. RBC surface having lot of antigen. Say for example, A blood group having A antigen, B blood group having B antigen, like that. Some condition of body. For example, immunohemolytic anemia, human body produced certain type of antibodies. These antibodies will attach to the surface of antigen. It causes immune-mediated destruction of RBC and leads to anemia. This antibody is called as autoantibody. Then Kump test. Two type of test is the direct and indirect. Both test common things is Kump reagent only. Now, how is Kump reagent made? This one is human body containing lot of autoantibodies. Take the blood from human and separated that serum. It containing autoantibodies. Then injected this serum into a animal. That immune system of animal recognize this antibody are foreign. So it will produce their own antibody against these antibodies. We take blood from this animal and separated this antibody. This antibody is called as Kump reagent. First one is human immune system producing antibody, autoantibody. We will inject it to the animal. That animal recognized foreign, so it will produce again own antibody. That antibody name is called as Kump reagent. First we see about that direct Kump test. This test mainly used to detect immunohemolytic anemia. This one is human have immunohemolytic anemia. Hit blood containing autoantibodies which are directly against his RBC. Then we take blood from patient and put into the test tube or beaker. Human having immunohemolytic anemia, we collect that blood. Okay, after that we will separate that serum. Then we will put into a beaker. After that we are adding Kump reagent. Here we are adding Kump reagent. When they react, visibility observed, agglutination, autoantibody in the blood sample. First we are adding human serum sample. After that we are adding Kump reagent. After that agglutination indicate positive, otherwise negative. Then indirect Kump test. It is also called as indirect anti-globulin test, IAT test, used to determine whether these are antibody to the RH factor in the mother blood. Then this one is this test mainly used for prenatal screening of female. This one is the female having RH negative, inside fetus having RH positive. Sometimes fetal blood come in and contact with maternal blood, and the maternal blood developed anti-RH antibody against the RBC. During second pregnancy, the fetus again RH positive means this antibody cross placenta and destroy that fetal RBC. So very important to detect these antibodies. Here we are taking blood from female. Then we will centrifuge it, then separated that serum. Then we will add that serum into a test tube. In this method we are taking autoantibodies, then directly added to the Kump reagent. But here we will take that serum. After that externally we are adding RH positive RBC. Then only we are adding Kump reagent. Then this antibody bind against RH antibody causes agglutination occur in the bottom, indicate positive result. This method only antibody, that Kump reagent. Here serum sample, then RH positive RBC, then Kump reagent. So it is called as indirect method.